In this video, I'm going to be showing my exact trade that I made this morning to hopefully make $300 in profit. Let's get into it. So every day in our Discord, I give out buy and sell alerts to our Discord premium members. And you guys can actually join with the first link in the description, and you're going to be able to get free alerts 1 to 2 times a week for absolutely free. So if you guys want to join, you can use the first link in the description and join. But me and my partner Kyle give out 2 to 3 alerts in our premium section every single day, and I'm going to be taking you guys through one of those. So today we're going to be going through my SBUX call that I made in our Discord today, and I actually still have contracts of this open, and you're going to be able to judge how this went by checking the contract's price yourself whenever you see this video. So I did a fundamental analysis on the market, and I thought that the overall market was trending green, so I started to look for some calls to make a play on, and I eventually settled on SBUX. SBUX often has pretty good moves in their price, and you're able to, if you think that the market's going to go green, you're able to kind of time this with SBUX to also have it go up a lot and make a lot of money off it. So I made a call for SBUX or SBUX at $103 for this call, and it expires Friday 3/3, and I bought each contract for an average of 90 cents, as you can see right here. If you come here, you can see that I bought the 10 contracts right around here. The MACD wasn't quite trending up yet, and this is another problem of me being a little bit early. I saw the early success throughout the day on SBUX as well as with SPY, and I thought that this downward pressure was a little bit short-lived, and when I saw 3 green candlesticks and then another green candlestick after a red candlestick, I thought, you know, I can just get in, which it ended up working out. However, next time I should probably wait to make sure, get a confirmation that we are trending up on this MACD before I make any move. So that's just something I could have done a little bit better and could have maybe gotten a bit of a better entry on the price of these contracts. However, SBUX wasn't moving too much throughout the day. As you can see here, it's kind of trading between these 10 cents for hours upon hours. Well, eventually SBUX got some very good pressure to the upside, and it was at about $102.60 right at 10:45, and then I was actually in the gym and I saw that at 11:05 we actually got all the way up to $102.88. If you guys know anything about options, that big of a move can be the difference in about 10 to 20%. So I decided to sell 5 contracts for $516 or $66 profit. And you can see here I alerted at about 11:12 a.m. And I took about 14% in profit. Now, as you can see, I only sold 5 contracts. If I wanted to, I could have sold 10 contracts here, taken about $112 in profit. However, this play I think has a lot of potential. But as you can see here, I sold because I saw some more pressure to the downside. I didn't want to get caught without taking any profits. So it actually sold off throughout the day, and I still have 5 of these contracts. These contracts are now down about 5%. So that's a 20% swing. If I would have sold everything there, I could have made 66 more bucks. However, as you can see to the end of the day, I wanted to see how it was going to end, and we definitely saw some more buying pressure towards the end of the day and in the aftermarket. So there's no telling where this can go tomorrow. From an educated guess, I think we saw a lot of red last week. So personally, I'm being a bit more bullish this week, and that's why I kept this position open. But personally, if the SPY opens in the green and SBUX also opens in the green, we can see SBUX have a pretty decent push to the upside, maybe to the $103 area, $103.20, and that would mean the SBUX prices of the contracts would be up about 40 to 60%. So I just like that upside. Now there is downside risk. However, I got rid of some of my downside risk by selling these 5 contracts, locking in a profit. So personally, I see us starting to trend back up on the MACD right now. I think we're going to open in the green tomorrow, and that I will make anywhere from 30 to 50% on these contracts, these remaining 5 contracts tomorrow, profiting about $200 to $250, and that would put us at about $300 profit. But that's what I'm thinking is going to happen with these. You guys can judge me by looking at the price of these contracts tomorrow if you want. This is the exact contract. It's $103 call. I'm assuming this is going to be worth about $1.40 by midday tomorrow. And just seeing probably a 50% gain. So we'll have to see how it does go, but everything leads me to believe that I shouldn't have sold the remaining contracts for a 5% loss right now, because I think it's going to open in the green tomorrow and it'll be profitable for me. But yeah, that's basically a call that I have open right now, and I wanted you guys to be able to kind of judge it. If it goes wrong, roast me in the comments. If it goes right, join the Discord. It's the first link in the description, and we just brought back free alerts so you guys can get those, put your toes in the water and see if you want to join our premium. Yeah, first link in the description, join that. If you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.